Hey everybody, what's up? Steve with Primary Arms Optics with the new big boy PLX compact, the 4.5 to 36. So this is the largest PLX compact we make. It has a 56 millimeter objective, so tons of light coming in through this scope, going through our 34 millimeter body into the saddle with our new cartridge turrets. So the way that these cartridge turrets work, you can actually configure them for whatever gun you're setting up or whatever your use case is. It comes out of the box from us with the easy stop turrets. So that means it's a standard zero stop. Once you get the scope set up and zeroed, it will stop at zero every time. Or there's going to be accessory turrets available that you can either have lock at zero, or you can have them lock at any position within the travel of that turret itself. Now, it also has a capped windage turret. This is user configurable with the accessories that are in the box. It comes with a dialing turret that you can throw on here. So if you're the type of person that likes to dial for wind, you have that option. It is, like I said, a 4.5 to 36, making it the highest magnification PLX compact available, but you're not sacrificing anything across that entire magnification range. So down at 4.5, an extremely flat, very wide field of view, and it's also very, very bright. And the reticle is still usable at lowest magnification. A lot of the first focal plane scopes that are out there, when you get down to the low end, everything just kind of disappears. Not necessarily the case with these. And there's a specific reason to that. It is because they have two of our newest reticles in them. If you are into the Christmas tree style reticle, we have our new ACSS Neptune reticle. So that is a full mil grid with indicators every 10th mil. So it will give you all of the precision you could ever want because it has those 10th mil indicators throughout the entire field of view. Now we also have our DEKA G2 reticle for those of you guys that don't necessarily want the Christmas tree or don't need those kind of wind hold or ranging holds out in the field of view. It's just a simpler single vertical, single horizontal stadia with mil marks on those. So still, they're both mil reticles. We don't have any BDCs in these guys here, but that DEKA mil is very precise, very simple, and super clean. Also very easy to use at low magnification. Now we've also etched these things extremely thin, so when you are up at that 36 at the top end, you're still going to have plenty of visibility around the reticle. You're still going to be able to see your target. You're still going to be able to see trace. You're not going to have anything blocking that view. For the PLX compact series, just like the 1 to 8, 1.5 to 12, 2.5 to 20, and now the 4.5 to 36, we designed them around the eyepiece because we want the image that's coming through that eyepiece to be as flat, crisp, and clear as possible. And we designed the rest of the optical system to help complement that eyepiece to give you the absolute best performance. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us up through those social medias. Otherwise, we will see you all in the next one.